In this video, as always, I'm gonna go over cases, document, email NVC is working on this week, and also I will check on US Consulate update for 3 different countries today. If it's something you wanna know, just stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde. Welcome back, and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome on this channel. I have newcomers here in the United States of America, permanent resident, and also U.S. citizen. Regarding immigration. Sometimes we talk about different stuff. I give the newcomers advice. If I have some like business tips, I give it to them, or financial tips, or like how to manage their credit card once they come to United States of America, stuff like that. I talk about those as well on this channel. Okay, if you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. If you are new here and you like what you're seeing, or by the end of this video, if you like what you're seeing, just hit the subscribe button. Okay, so like I said in the introduction, today I'm gonna give you update about cases, document, email NVC is working on at the beginning of this week, which was yesterday. Okay, some of you guys who are petition for your family members, and your case is on USCIS, or it's already approved by USCIS, but you're waiting for NVC to contact you. Well, I have an update for you. Okay, so once your case is approved by the USCIS, I know that you guys don't receive a notification from USCIS that they move your case to NVC National Visa Center, and that NVC will contact you in 30 days. Well, sometimes it takes more than 30 days. It can take a month and a half, or sometimes it'll go to 2 months before you hear from NVC. Okay, so yesterday, which was on September 14, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received on September 2nd, which is like 12 days ago. They start working on those cases. Okay, so if your case were approved by USCIS on, let's say, 6 weeks ago to 2 months ago, and you petition for your relative, like immediate relative, chances are your case is at NVC National Visa Center now. Okay, some petition cases process are longer than others. Like F4 category is going to take longer for them once their case is approved by USCIS to move to NVC in different categories as well. But for immediate relative, yeah, chances are your case will move to NVC after it's been approved by USCIS, like 2 months after, or 6 weeks after. Okay, so this information is on NVC website. Therefore, this is for some of you guys who don't have a chance to check the website regularly. Okay, if you have a chance to check the website regularly, you already know what is going on. Okay, so now that your case moved to NVC National Visa Center, like I always tell you guys, maybe you guys who are new here, you don't know how the process works, then NVC will contact you with instruction regarding how to start your immigrant visa process, and then also they will send you your invoice ID and case number, which you're going to use to log into the Computer Electronic Application Center. Okay, if you want to submit document or pay fees, that's how you're going to do it, because now NVC doesn't receive any paper mail no more. Before you have to send them your document, everything by mail. Now everything had to be in their Computer Electronic Application Center electronically. Okay, so you have to log into it. That's why you receive those the invoice ID and case number for. So now, once you receive those information, you have to log into the system and then pay fees. You have to pay affidavit of support fee, immigrant visa fees, and then you have to submit a document. Like you pay the petitioner, you're gonna submit like affidavit of support document, affidavit of support of financial document. You have to fill up on the immigrant visa applicant gonna fill up a DS-260 and submit a civil document. Okay, now that's not it. NVC have to review all your document and then let you know if they approve it or not. Okay, so yesterday, also September 14, NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing document they received on July 8th. Okay, July 8th, which is like 9 weeks ago roughly. So they're reviewing those documents. But the thing is, people who are affected by the immigration suspension, NVC won't be able to review the document yet. Okay, they have to focus on people who are not affected by the immigration suspension first. Then they're going to review the document and let them know if they accept it or not, before they move to other category, and then review the document as well. Okay, so if you submit your document to NVC, you're waiting for them to approve it. Well, like I said, they start reviewing document of people who submit their document on July 8th. Okay. Now, after that, what's gonna happen is once NVC approve your document, then they're gonna let you know that they will schedule an interview for you, at the U.S. Embassy, where the intended immigrant will go for interview. But unfortunately, most of the U.S. Embassy didn't resume their visa services yet. I know most of you guys been waiting for them to schedule an interview for you, so you can go to the interview, or your relative can go to the interview. But because of the immigration suspension, there's nothing you can do now, okay, and because of the pandemic as well. But some of you guys who are not affected by the immigration suspension and the U.S. Embassy in your country resume visa services, you will receive an appointment letter from NVC. It tell you exactly where you go for the interview and when to go for the interview, stuff like that. Okay, but if you are that phase in the process, it's better to start gathering all your documents. Okay, and that way, when you receive your interview appointment letter, you just start the process right away. Okay. Now, some of you guys send email to NVC, ask them question, or maybe you wanna see if you can expedite your case, or you wanna know why they are not contacting you, stuff like that. Different reason. Well, yesterday also, September 14, NVC announced on their website that they are responding to email they received on September 8th, which is like 6 days ago, stuff like that. So check your email and see if you don't NVC didn't send you any notification, any email. Okay, if they send you email, open the email and see exactly what it is they send you. Okay, and then like I said at the beginning of actually in the introduction, I'm gonna go over the U.S. Embassy's U.S. Consulate updates information for 3 different countries. If it's something you are interested in, let's go in front of my computer. Okay guys, like I said, today we're gonna check on US consulate update for 3 different countries. So some of you guys who are new here, to see this page here, you go to usembassy.gov, and then from here you choose your country, and then you can see the information update for US Embassy. Okay, so here today we're going to talk about a country that starts with C. So I'll click on C, and then this is the category of C. Countries that which start with C letter. So you can see over here. Today I'm going to talk about Chile. Okay, so I'll click on Chile. So I have some of you guys who send me a message want me to check US Embassy, US Consulate information for you guys at Chile. So once you click on that, you see U.S. Embassy Santiago. Okay, this is the address where the U.S. Embassy is located. This is the phone number in case you want to call them. Then from here, you click on this link right here, and that will take you to the website. Okay, so once you're on the website, since we are looking for information regarding visas, so we click on visas, and then you will see another page that will open. Let me see here. Okay, the connection's gone a little bit slow today. Yeah, here we go. Then here is the website. As you can see here, they say that because of the presidential proclamation, travelers are prohibited to transit from Chile to the U.S. Via Brazil. And also they suspend routine visa services at the U.S. Embassy of Santiago, and they don't know exactly when they're going to resume the visa services. As you can see here, they say unfortunately they are not able to provide an estimate of when routine visa services will resume. Okay, but like I said, in every embassy, if you need emergency services, you need to contact them. Okay, so basically the U.S. Embassy in Chile doesn't resume their visa services yet, so you have to check the website frequently to check the update. Okay, so if you want to go to the website, straight to the website, you can type just cl.usembassy.gov/visas. Then you can see information regarding visas. If you click on news and event, also, you will get more accurate information regarding what is going on, more accurate updates. Okay, so that's another trick that I learned. The news and event. You can get more information there as well. Now let's move to another country I have to talk about today. The second country I'm going to talk about also start with C. Okay, that would be Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire is also known as Ivory Coast. I know some of you guys will send me a message, want me to check the information for you. So once you click on that and click on Cote d'Ivoire, you will see the U.S. Embassy in Abidjan. Okay, so from here you got a address. If you want to go over there yourself, that's the address. If you want to call them, that's their phone number. Okay, so when you click on their link, that will take you to the website itself, and then from the website, what you can do, you click on visas. Okay, once you click on visas, then you can read the information regarding visa, immigrant visa or non-immigrant visa. Let's click on immigrant visa. Okay, so once we click on immigrant visa, you will have information update whether or not they resume their visa services. Okay, so let's see. Come on, computer. Okay, now you see here they have information here. You see they suspended their visa services since March 17, and they will resume visa services as soon as possible, but are unable to provide a specific date at this time. Okay, so they don't know when they're going to resume their visa services, but if you need emergency services, then don't feel free to contact the U.S. Embassy, like people who are U.S. citizens, lawful permanent resident, and also people who need critical visa services, like let's say doctor who want to travel to United States of America to help battle the COVID-19 and stuff like that. Those people are exempt from the proclamation. They can get a visa. So if you're in that category, you need to contact the U.S. Embassy. But in general, they don't know when they're going to resume their visa services. Okay, so people who need information regarding U.S. Consulate in Ivory Coast or Cote d'Ivoire, here you have it. Let's move to the next and the last country of today's video. That would be, let's go back. The last country, I already talked about this country before. Then I'm gonna talk about it again. What is it? Okay, that's Jamaica. Okay, something's funny is going on in Jamaica because they resumed their visa services. Then now I think they suspended it again. Okay, so you click on Jamaica. When you click on Jamaica, that will take you to the website. Then where you can find information about what is going on. Okay, so here's U.S. Embassy in Kingston. Okay, the address and phone number. You click on this. Take you to the website, and from here you click on visas. This is what you see, and then if you need information regarding immigrant visa or non-immigrant visa, you choose one of these. So let's do immigrant visa today. So for immigrant visa, you see they don't really have anything here, but if I go to news and event, they probably have more information there. So I would say, like over here, you can click on this one on alert, U.S. Embassy Kingston, Jamaica. When you click on this one, you should have some information. Okay. So as you can see here, is they say due to changes in COVID-19 case load in Jamaica, the consular section at the U.S. Embassy in Kingston will reduce consular services effective September 8th, which is like a week ago. Okay, that's when they reduced their services. So now, there are people who supposed to go for visa interview. They suspended the appointment again. So what you're gonna do if in that category, like you have an immigrant visa appointment, they see here they say the consular section will contact you when they resume routine or visa to reschedule your appointment. Okay, so when they resume it, you have to reschedule your appointment to go to the interview. For people who have a non-immigrant visa appointment, you have to keep checking the website to see if there is appointment availability. That way you can schedule another appointment. So basically that's what is going on in Jamaica. I don't think they resume the visa services yet, like this week. But if you hear something, something, let us know. There are people who want to know what's going on in Jamaica as well. So guys, those are the three countries I want to talk about today. If you still want me to check an update for the US embassy in your country for you, or the country where your intended immigrant will go for interview, let me know in the description below, and I'll do my best to check it out for you. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, share with that person. If you like the video, you like what you're seeing, just hit the like button. If you want to see more video like this one, all you gotta do is click on this. It's my head over here, and also click on the bell, so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.